Here.
Will it dig the grass up when it turns around?
Oh, yeah. Here.
Oh! Oh, Dad, that's funnier now. Then you need to push it back in line.
I need to not do my yard.
You need to push it back. It really does dig it up. That thing would have to have some weight to it, no doubt, to dig the grass up, wouldn't it? It just digs the top of it. That's so cute. Now's when you need someone on the ground pushing you around like the camera.
There's that one wedge fell out there going backwards. That don't happen.
The camera people, you know, where you can see sit low and. We need to put the lid on it, Dad.
Do what?
We need to put the lid on it so we can get a video with the lid on.